In this video, I'm going to show you how to add resource calendars to your calendar and schedule events using Cru resources like conference rooms, etc. So first of all, let me show you how to add a resource calendar from Cru. You click over here on Other Calendars, this little down arrow. It brings up these little prompts in this menu, and you click on Browse Interesting Calendars. And you can add holidays and sports, but you click on More, and you'll notice there's a highlighted uh, prompt here called Resources for Cru.org, and when you click on it, you'll see that there's a host of resource rooms and items all across our ministry. And I'm in the Northeast region, so I want to add resources from the Northeast, which is down here under NE. So I'll click on that. And here's all of our conference rooms, some digital resources that are reservable. And if I want to add these, I can just go over here and subscribe to them. So I can click on these different call rooms, subscribe to them. I can click on this projector if I want to use it at times, the screen, or also these other conference rooms. And when I go back to my calendar, now I will have access to these under my calendars. Or no, I'm sorry. Here they are under other calendars. So that I can select them, or they've already been selected, shown by these colors here. The Kuzman call room is not available during these times that are colored in brown. Now, if I want to remove this from my personal calendar, or not show it, make it invisible, I just click on this over here and it takes it away. Now, if I click on it again, it puts it back on. So at any point now, once I've subscribed to these calendars, I can uncheck them all and see only my calendar. But then if I want to see what's in the Kuzman call room this week, I can click on it and see that it's been blocked at that time. Now, the other way to find out whether these resources are available is actually from the Create Appointment window. So when I go to create an appointment, let's say that I have a conference call and I need to have that in a particular room in the Northeast Regional Office. I will go over here to Rooms and click on it, and I can search for the room by name. So I'm looking for the Kuzman call room. So I'll start typing KUZ. And for this time slot, 10 a.m. to 11, this room is available. So I will click that. And that means I have it blocked for an hour. But if I change the time to make it longer, you see now it disappeared and it's no longer available. Let me go back. That's a little bit confusing. I'm going to start over. I'm going to click Create, title this conference call. And if I schedule this all day today, or let's say for 5 hours conference call, and I go to add that same room and I type in Kuzman, whoops, not under guest, I need to click rooms and type Kuzman, you'll see it doesn't show it to me now because it's not available during that large block of time. So I need to either choose a different room, in which case I can go to the Northeast office here, the Northeast resources down here under NE, and it shows me only the resources that are available, and I can see the Northeast small conference room is available even for this large block of time today. So I'm going to click Add, and it automatically puts the name into where the conference is. And when I go back to guests, it shows that I am a guest, and so is the conference room. It's been invited as a guest to block that off. And if I click on the Find a Time tab, it shows that both in my calendar and the Northeast Conference Room, this will now be blocked off. So I'm going to click Save. Oops. I left this little thing typed in here and it thinks it's a guest. So I'm going to delete that and click Save. And so now you'll see that on the calendar now in yellow here, there's a conference call that not only is in my schedule, but when I click on the calendar for the Northeast small conference room, it shows up in my calendar in yellow, and in this periwinkle type color because it's blocked out in the conference room, so that anybody else who tries to schedule something during that time will see that the room is booked. And finally, if I delete this event, it removes it not only from my calendar but from the conference room that I reserved so that others can use it. And so that's how you can add these resources to your calendar and schedule them right from the Create Appointment prompt if they're available.